Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, me and my mommy are playing Among Us. Okay, we don't have the right costume, so we're just wearing our coats. Okay, let me pick mine. I choose this. Now it's your turn to choose, Mommy.
Okay. I choose mine.
Okay, now we switch holding the ice. Okay, this is yours. I already saw mine. Okay, you hold it at your own face and then you pass it over to me. I'll do this.
Let's see if she can do the task.
Now you do your task. I'm gonna do the task.
I gotta do my task.
I'm the imposter.
I bet it's a dog. I see a dog. What else could be on the stairs?
I'm the imposter! Mommy, wake up! It's time for round 2.
Okay.
Round 2. Now we need to see which cards we go. I choose this. You look first this time.
Okay.
I'm a clue. You look at yourself first. You do.
I'm gonna do the task. Here I go. I gotta guess what's on the stairs. What animals do you guys think are on the stairs? I'm guessing maybe a shark. A shark is there.
I'm doing my task. Why is she creeping?
Nothing. I'm just watching you.
Do your task now.
I do.
You need to guess the other animal.
I already picked a shark. One more task.
I already did it!
Oh, you won! Oh,
Yes,
no,
my
I
mom was
didn't
the imposter.
tag you.
Because I looked at the same time when you were, so I knew you were in the imposter.
Oh, good job,
You look
Layla.
suspicious when
Lightning
you-
strike. All right, see you next time.
No, it's time for round 3. Round 3. Why? Why?
It's gonna be too long.
Just one round 3. Round 3 is the last level, Mom.
Okay.
Okay. Now. Yikes. Don't look at yours.
Okay, I won't look.
Now it's your turn to pick, but don't look at yours. Okay, you have this first. Now put it back on the tape.
Okay. Now let's see. Are you gonna do your task, or am I gonna do my task?
I'm going to do my task.
Let's see if Layla can balance this right on her head.
Mom, it's time to wake up.
And I'm dead.
I'll have to tickle you in the armpits then. Then get up. You noggin head. I call her feed brain. Bye. See you next time on Lightning Strikes channel.
Bye.
I hope you like this video. Bye.